Toilet learning isn't just about helping children to use the bathroom, it's about fostering independence, building confidence, and creating a clean and healthy environment for everyone in your program. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're a seasoned childcare professional or new to the role of director, you've probably experienced one of the most challenging parts of early childhood education: helping children and their families through the process of toilet learning. Through this course, you'll learn how to engage parents, prepare your staff, and develop effective strategies to manage toilet learning in your childcare program. We'll explore best practices, tackle common challenges, and create systems that work for everyone, most importantly, the children. We'll work to help you develop a toilet learning action plan that is tailored to your center. I'll help you lead effective communication with the parents about expectations and responsibility. Then we'll talk about training your staff and supporting them in creating a consistent, supportive, positive toilet learning experience for the children. And of course, we will address some common challenges like frequent accidents and staff burnout. We all know that this topic can be stressful. Dirty clothes, accidents, and uncooperative parents can make toilet learning seem like an overwhelming task. But with the right systems, teamwork, and clear communications, you'll be equipped to lead this process effectively. Let's get started. You're already taking a big step just being here, and I'm excited to guide you through the journey. See you in the first module.